from the devs to millionaire with AI in 2023. This is the year to make the dreams come true, the rise of the broken and the rise of the humble. I'm here to help you who is completely starting from zero and wanna be a successful entrepreneur in 2023. This is the year that we're gonna rise a legacy of entrepreneurs and millionaires to truly rise online business, make money online, and profit with the best opportunities on the market. We are here to help people around the world. This is the Life Evolution Project. I'm Christopher Investor and I'm here to help you be the next millionaire in 2023. Stay with me until the end of this video. Watch this video with attention because I have high quality information to help you be successful and profit on the AI evolution. The time has come, my brothers. This is the time for us to rise in 2023 as successful entrepreneurs and become one of the next millionaires. This is the year to rise over the hard times, go ahead and make the dreams come true. I'm here to help you truly be a successful entrepreneur in 2023 and truly be one of the next millionaire in this completely incredible year of evolution, dedication, perseverance, and faith on the dreams. This year, we have the chance to rise together with AI, technology, rise our online business, and be successful with digital marketing campaigns, make sales online, and help people around the world with the best opportunities we have available. This is the year to truly make the dreams become reality. Keep the evolution and the faith of your project because I'm here to help you. I'm completely dedicating myself for the evolution of my knowledge so I can share with you all my knowledge and help you become successful. In this video, I will show how you can take opportunities on the AI evolution, make money online, rise your online business, and be part of this incredible evolution that will rise successful entrepreneurs, and I'm here to help you. The first step for you to be successful is to make the awakening of your dreams. This is the time to make the evolution and the time to make the faith of your dreams evolve. I truly believe that with AI, technology, marketing campaigns, you can truly accomplish greatness, and I'm here to help you. This is the year where you're gonna be able to accomplish things like never did before. I truly believe that the title from this video can become a reality. From the devs to millionaire with AI in 2023. We can do it. I will make my best to rise a legacy of new millionaires in 2023, and I want you to be part of this completely incredible evolution. I'm here to help with my best. I'm working all day, all night, always evolving my knowledge about AI, technology products to help you become a truly successful entrepreneur in 2023. you need guidance to be a successful entrepreneur and rise your knowledge on the AI evolution, if you want some help about how to make successful digital marketing campaigns, you can contact me by email, or you can make a comment below. When I'm able, I will give you a response, and it's gonna be great to rise together with you. In 2023, the chance to profit, make money online are endless, and I truly believe that you will be a truly successful entrepreneur, make money online, rise your online business, and I will do my best to help you. This is the year for the awakening of the dreams. We gonna make the dreams become reality with the power of AI, technology, online business, digital marketing campaigns, and knowledge evolution. We can do it. I truly believe that this is the year for the fusion of artificial intelligence and human intelligence. Together, we're gonna rise to the highest level. I truly believe that the higher power that we have will truly help a lot of us to become successful online. And I truly believe that you also can do it. Keep the evolution of your faith. Don't give up on your dreams. Keep the evolution and perseverance, because you can do it. And with AI and technology, the chances are even better for you to make automation of your online business, automation of your marketing campaigns, automation of your sales, for your e-commerce. There is endless options to profit, make money, and help people around the world, and all this with the help of AI. And the main thing is for your evolution. And you can make money online with endless ways. On the AI evolution, the opportunities for you to make money online and rise yourself as a successful entrepreneur are endless. You can use powerful AI tools as ChatGPT, Jasper AI, Tone AI, Canva. For video creation, you can use Pictory and InVideo. For copywriting, you can use Cop AI, Cop Speech. You can use for AI art creation, Midjourney. There is a lot of opportunities to make money online and rise yourself to become one of the next millionaires in 2023, and I'm here to help you. This is it. I hope you enjoyed the content on this video. If you want more information about how to rise your online business, how to be a successful entrepreneur in 2023, check out my other videos. I have high quality content to help you for your evolution. I truly want to rise new millionaires in 2023 with the help of AI, technology, online business, digital marketing campaigns, and the power of dreams. This is it. I hope you too will evolve yourself, and if you need more guidance, contact me by email, make a comment below. When I'm able, it's gonna be an honor to help you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and stay tuned for my next sequence of videos. This is the Life Evolution Project. I'm Christopher Investor, and I'm here to help you be successful.